Opposition member of parliament Carlton Wende obuda achitaura mashoko avhundutsa veruzhinji panguva inoyi. Carlton Wende oyachata Nelson Chamisa achiti do not act as if you are in Zimbabwe. Even mapost aunoita don't act as if uri kurwa the same battle nemacitizens. Panguva inoyi achiuya achilebula Nelson Chamisa semutengesi, achiuya achitaura mashoko ekuti Nelson Chamisa have relocated to the United States and pamwe chete his family. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Crime watching poster Chamisa na Carlton Wende wamuri kuona mudanyira chiti. Opposition MP Carlton Wende is claimed that Nelson Chamisa may have relocated to United States with his family while continuing to post on social media as if he is still in Zimbabwe. Wende described this as cruel and inconsiderable to the struggles of Zimbabweans. His remarks come amid growing questions about Chamisa's absence on the ground during the ongoing consultations on Constitutional Amendment Bill No. 3. Despite earlier promises that he would actively oppose the proposed challenges, one of opposed at this post, Carlton Wende, I will support anyone who takes a break from politics to go to the United States with his wife and son, but don't post and pretend like you are in Zimbabwe. You are just being cruel and inconsiderable. The struggle in Zimbabwe is real. Ndo mashukantova panapa na Carlton Wende. Aiwa akama director kuna Nelson Chamisa achimuudza kuti aiwa vakomana, let's not pretend, ngatingobuda pachena. If takauya tikasarenda panhau aiwa dzekumirira kugara munyika yeZimbabwe, ngatibudei pachena vanhu vazive chokwadi. Tomadevelopments aripo amene ngore yeZimbabwe munoti kudei pamusoro tangoverenga sezvaari mashoko aWende. So subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.